today, Guy has determined that he's got a lot of spare parts that need to be cleaned properly. And I'm not going to take 17,500 hours scrubbing everything with wire brush and brake cleaner and degreaser and things of that nature. So, we're going to cheat a little bit, and we're going to make an electrolysis tank with essentially clean items for us. And so we're going to go pick up a few supplies, and we're going to build it. We need to go get baking soda, bin or a tub. Hey, look, a bird. He's trying to eat the food. We're going to get some wire, like aluminum wire or something we can use to hang things from. Rolling up to the motherland. Yeah, boy. Parts have been acquired. I need to go find a measuring cup still. So I'm gonna go down the street to the Mart of Walls. If these fuckers was Oh my god, how many of you are there? Jeez, dude. Measuring cups. Got them. I got some measuring cups, some utility wire, the magic ingredient, baking soda. Gotta get this tub filled. We're gonna fill it with water. So right now I'm stripping wires that are connected to my power source. If I remember correctly, positive goes on this one, negative goes on this one. This one will connect the utility wire that's gonna suspend all of our parts in the box. The electricity will travel from this through the mixture water, through the parts, and then eat away at all the stuff that's stuck to them. Get off of there. Come on. Come on. Really? Oh, apparently I don't have this thing unplugged. Okay. Let's try this again. Got our wires hooked up, so now we can go ahead and start putting our parts on. Oh, they gave me free zip ties too. Snip it. I want to keep it nice and balanced. Not like that. Good. Good job. Not really. We'll work with it. Right there. Get another one going. Why don't you just do that and become a problem? Sure. Next, it's usually a lot easier to do parts that have a screw hole or something in them. But I decided I have to do everything the hard way. These are your chain adjusters that go on the end of your swing arm. Your axle goes through there. Yeah, we'll go through the big hole. Bam. One more. Now, we gotta go get some water. And I'm gonna use a 5-gallon jug so that I can keep track of how much water I put in there, because getting the mix is important. 10 gallons of water in here right now. 1 tablespoon per 1 gallon of water. We're gonna put 15-gallon tablespoons, 2 cups. So 15 tablespoons would be just under 1 cup. We need 1 cup. Where's cups? Cups is here. Open this up. Already kind of turned into rocks a little bit. And cup. Not even close. Ah, jeez. That might be too much. Last 5 gallons going in. turned into a solid oddly quickly. But we're pretty much ready. We're gonna turn it on, making sure that we got ventilation, breathing in hydrogen.
So to kind of simplify what we've got going on here, an electrolysis tank basically is like an oven with water, and the baking soda is what you put in the water, you mix that in, and that's what allows the electricity to pass through the two pieces of metal, which creates those bubbles, releasing hydrogen, but it also helps lift all the dirt and grime and nasty stuff off of the pieces that you're trying to clean. And that way it can get into all the little nooks and crannies that you wouldn't really usually be able to get to with like a wire brush or a grinder or something like that. So it makes it super easy to clean. And that's how you can get pieces that look like this. This is the subframe for one of the motorcycles we got coming, so stay tuned for that. Got the swing arm here, this nice blue piece. Probably my favorite piece so far that I've done is this frame. Come out pretty nice, and I'm excited to see what this bike looks like once it's done. Rainy day. We're on our way to go grab my ultrasonic cleaner for our small hardware. Now I'm stuck behind a van that goes slow as hell, man. I just spent an hour out of my day digging through my storage unit to find my ultrasonic cleaners. That thing is right there. First I was angry that I couldn't find it. Now I'm angry that it was here the whole time. Bug it, it's here, we ball.
Let's get these apart. Spray everything down. Get everything taken apart. This might be one piece. Looks like a ground for a headlight somebody put there. Get off of there. We don't need that piece now. These are 14s. Get off of there. Alright. Is there anything else that comes off of this? A seal, maybe. That's it. Oh. Yeah, it came loose. Luckily for us. It is a little damaged yet. Oh man, work with me here. Ah, we'll have to get a new seal now. That was our genius idea, is put this in a spot nobody can freaking get it. That's the piece we were after. That'll be next. The wash machine. Have to go get my ultrasonic cleaner. I don't know where it is. Really? It's gonna be like that. I don't know. Got it. She's loose. I will. Just give her a minute. Will you get out of there? Thank you. Look at that. That's good stuff. These seem different from my other ones. There she goes. There's the dust seal. Fucking marketing. Trust the process, man. Trust the process. There she is. There she goes. Got it. Still need to see if I can find that missing ball bearing. I fear that I may have swept it up. Move, bucket! Out of the way. I would say that that works. Get out of there. Bolt. Looks pretty good. That's pretty dang clean. Not bad. What I want to know is how many times can I reuse the same fluid? So, put all this stuff that's still dirty into the gas. See how it comes out. Go on in, don't be shy. This piece is too big. Alright. This one, I guess we'll just hand clean this piece. Loose particles are a no-no. You like the way I polish my shaft? Well, clean. Ring first. Then this one. And this one goes on the end. Boom. Let's check out these other parts, see how they came out. Oh yeah, much better. So much better. Look at that. There's not a spot of grease left on that thing. Got a little bit of stuff on there. Not bad. Bolt. 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 Cleaned it very nicely though. While that's cooking, we'll come back over here and put another fork back together.